Hello guys, I just came home from work and today I have decided to make a chicken soup, and this is my first time to do this, so I hope it will work out good. And I really don't, it's not my recipe. I just copied a recipe from another YouTuber and I'm trying it out today for the first time. These are some of the ingredients: the chicken feet. And as you can see, there's still nails in there. I have to cut them off so it's ready. And then there is onion, tomato, spring onion, and then ginger, and this one, garlic. And there's also a bamboo. That's it, and I'm gonna start.
Oh, you already got this down. That's very dangerous when you put this down like that.
Why?
It's so yucks. Yucks.
It's not yucks.
It is. Fucking yucks.
Ha! You should be more adventurous with your food, oi.
I'm adventurous in my marriage. I cannot also be eating food.
You're so bad to me. It's my first time to do this though.
I know. Not the first time to eat it though, huh?
No. It is for a soup. Chicken feet first. That. Now it's all ready. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do next, because the chicken is all done, no nails, nothing, ready for the cooking. And then there's the ingredients. I have to put this ginger in there. It's my first time doing it, so I'm actually not sure if I'm doing it right, but anyway, it's just me who's gonna eat it, so maybe, I'm gonna put everything in. Maybe that, maybe this also. Ha. And now I will start this one. Ha! Oh my gosh. Hi! Ha! Fail! It's so hard, but this one more. It's crazy how Thai people, when they're doing it, but it seems very easy, right? But it's actually difficult. Yes, it is. Yeah, okay, it's done. Now it's boiling. I will put the quinoa. Ow. Then I will put this one here, the onions. I'm not gonna put the spring onions yet because it will be for later. There you go. And this, oh my gosh. And then maybe wait for 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and then I will add the chicken feet. To put a little bit of salt. We lower the heat. Then now I'll put the feet. There you go. And then wait for it to boil again. Maybe 5 minutes. But I really don't know. I'm just, you know, it depends on my feelings. Then I will add the bamboo now, which I almost forgot. Maybe not all, I don't know. Okay, now I think it's already cooked. I'm just gonna put the last one. And you're gonna need like 3 different languages to express the thing. It's gonna be all. That's great. Hey guys, this is the aftermath of this behemoth steak. It was really an awesome cook. By the way, I want to say a special thank you once again to Emilia from Grand Western Beef, Grand Western Steaks. Grand Western Steaks. Sorry, the link is in the description down below. But most important, just to let you guys know, if you call him, it tastes really good, though. And just make sure that Buddha sent you, and he'll take very good care of you. He's like the largest beef provider in Florida. And he has everything. He has China, he has Wagyu A5, anything you can think of, he'll make it. Yummy! Sarap naman ito eh. Love it. I'm so excited, huh? Now it's fine. I actually already eaten a while ago, but then again, who cares, right? Eat again. So thank you so much for watching. This one is a success.